I met this 6-year-old child with this blank, pale, emotionless face and the blackest eyes, the devil's eyes.
How's it going, everyone? Hope you're doing well. I'm still working on a couple projects right now, so in the meantime, I thought it'd be fun to show you how you can make a quick Michael Myers costume. Starting with the boots, I got these Rothko jungle boots off Amazon, which usually cost $50, but I got mine used for $25. From the references I've seen online, Michael's are olive, but I got black since the jumpsuit covers the majority of the boots, and because I wanted to use them for other costumes. Next was the jumpsuit. Now, you could try to thrift one of these, but I got mine from Amazon for $36. These were just Red Cat brand coveralls that I got in a spruce green. You heard that right. Green. Not blue like the later films. They just look blue in the first film due to the lighting that was used.
Why are you blue?
I scuffed up the edges with sandpaper and dirtied them up with some black and brown acrylics to make it look like they've been worn by an actual mechanic. As for the undershirt, any black or dark gray t-shirt will work. Now for the mask, I used a Trick or Treat Studios Boogeyman mask, costing around $60. The mask already looked pretty good, but I needed to make a few adjustments. I pushed the hair forward to hide the hairline, cut the eye holes wider, and darkened the mask a bit with black acrylic. Now I did mess up by accidentally peeling some of the latex off the forehead and trying to fix it with liquid latex. So I just painted it white and weathered it to hide my mistake. I think it turned out pretty good, but I may end up retrying with a second mask in the future. Lastly was the knife. You can use just about any prop kitchen knife, but once again I went with Trick or Treat Studios and got their Halloween Kills knife for $25. And that's it. Now you can go stalk babysitters on Halloween, get thrown in a padded cell, and think about what other props and costumes you want to see me make next. Don't forget to leave a like, and thanks for watching.